Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're changing the small wheels of Dyson direct drive heads, and this wheels works for all direct drive V6, V7, V8, V11, V15, Gen 5, anything. And this wheels always got worn, and to give this head a second life, we're going to replace it with these brand new wheels. This is the best quality aftermarket wheels we can find, because Dyson never make this. They want you to buy the new heads, and then we're able to find the manufacturers to produce these high quality wheels. They're like rubber and very soft. You won't scratch your floor. All right, without further ado, if you want to order it, you can order it under the link under the video. And so without further ado, let's take this out. So there's a very easy way to do it. So which you put a screw in there and then you just pry like this way, so this will pop, right? And if you have a rust on it, right, grab a WD-40, give a little lubricant on that first before you pry it. But then we're not going to do that way, because if you do it this way, you're going to damage your plastic. So if you don't care the look of your head, yeah, go ahead, do this way, just pry it out. But I'm gonna do it more like advanced way. I'm gonna do with no damage to the head whatsoever. So, but then it definitely takes longer. So we're gonna take the whole head off, and we'll go do from the behind. All right, guys, are you ready? Let's take the heads off. All right, done. Now let's take this part off. Grab a flathead. And hold it with your finger. All right, that's off. And now 2 screws here. 1 and 2. Okay, so now it's done. The next step, take the roller out, grab a coin, give it a turn, and take it out. All right, so put on the side. And now that's remove 1 more screws in there. All right, this screw is a slightly different size, so let's put it aside in a different place. All right, so big screws, small screws. All right, and 2 wheels. And done. All right, now let's open it up. Come to this side. Pull it this way. Go inside this one. All right, this come. Well, that's not supposed to come out, but it's fine. All right, turn it out. All right, now it's out. So as you can see, now I have access to the wheels from this side. Okay, so that's good. And what we do is we'll grab it something soft, a towel or something. I just use my baby wipes, something soft, and then get one of your small screwdriver, put in here, and grab a hammer and put this one in there and give it a go. Probably use a flathead, be easier. Okay. Does it come out? Oh, almost. All right. Just need a little bit more on the edge here. Be careful your safety. Safety always first. All right. Now let's have a look. Yeah, now it's come out. You guys see that? All right, let's do this side. This is a trader secret, guys. So if this helps you save money and time to buy a new head, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We just need your support to keep this channel alive. Does not cost you anything, but for us, it's everything. Okay, just subscribe. Keep your vacuum to goes forever. All right, damage a little bit there, but it's fine. Okay, so now that we can pull this off. Okay, so do this like that. and get a, all right, done. All right, so to put the new wheels in, we have to reassemble it first. The reason why is we need to press really hard on here, and you don't want it to damage it. But you know, for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna show you. So this is a new wheel, and put the new metal bars in and put in here. Okay, and like that. Okay, and then this part pushed in like so, like that. Okay, and then make sure it lines up, it doesn't go anywhere. And then in here you grab a flat head like this and you start pushing in like that. All right, see, here we go. So it's in. And now I'll do this side. Okay, and if you found it's difficult to do this way, like you wouldn't be able to push it in, assemble your heads and put this on the floor and use your whole body to like pressing down like this and go. Yeah, sometimes it's a sometimes if it's rust on it, it'd be more difficult than the other, but generally it should be okay. See, like that. All right, so now we're in. Okay, so now the wheels is changed, so now we just have to reassemble everything, and then after that it should be silky smooth, all right, with the new wheels. All right guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, and for future Dyson repair tips and tricks and maintenance. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.